Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering on and prepping the hardware. Put your AirPods Max on the smart case or remove them to wake the sensors. This readies pairing. On your iPhone or iPad, open settings and make sure Bluetooth is enabled because Bluetooth manages the connection. Keep the devices within a few feet. Close proximity reduces interference and speeds discovery. Once done, you'll be ready for the quick next step, initiating the pairing handshake from the headphones themselves. You now put the AirPods Max into pairing mode so the device can see them. Press and hold the noise control button for about 5 seconds until the indicator flashes white. That flashing is the universal signal that they are discoverable. On your iPhone, scan the Bluetooth list and tap the AirPods Max name. The phone sends a handshake to authenticate. Make sure you accept any on-screen prompts, because that confirms the trust and completes the secure exchange of keys. You finish by confirming the connection and optimizing audio routing. Open Control Center and choose AirPods Max as the output so calls and media use them. If pairing fails, reset the headphones. Hold the noise control button and digital crown for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears pairing records and often fixes stubborn issues. Finally, make sure your iPhone has the latest iOS so firmware updates can be applied. Updates fix bugs and improve compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.